up, everybody? You guys miss me? You guys miss me? I've been so busy. Anyways, yeah, New Year started off good. We took 2 weeks off of work. That kind of sucked, because like anxiety of like having people's builds ready for us, and then coming back and getting everything in line. Our fab department's growing. Tech department's growing. Just everything's growing. I'm gonna talk about it. My buddy Whitfield, Jason and his son will be joining our team. You know, things happen for a reason, man. Things happen for a reason. I've been working on myself, personal development. Been reading my book, Radical Wisdoms. Daily meetings with Jason every day, 7:45. About everything, personal, business, just growing as a human. I've washed out all the negative people. I don't answer people that I feel that are just gonna be a burden or no good motives, you know? So just kind of doing me. I've been testing a lot of clutch stuff. Different steels and stuff, development and stuff, and seeing what works, what doesn't work. That did not work. So we're not gonna use that anymore. But I got popping off some clips. I'm gonna build another clutch. I got 2 clutches ready to go. My clutch stacks are good, so I can't show you this number because this number is important. So in this vlog, kind of just showing you guys a little bit of what we're doing, you know. But I've made some pretty big breakthroughs on my stock engine program. As you guys know, I've always pushed those things pretty hard, 60 to 130s. Yuri's car managed to go 298, 60 to 130. It was big. I mean, we did it with Ryan's car at Shift Sector, and everybody said there was a fluke or a lie. They actually thought we did it with Dylan's car. And so since then, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna run it back with another street car. So Yuri's car from Texas will show you here. Went 298, 60 to 130 with a lot of air. So now we're able to get our stock engine program cars to go low 3s all day long, 2 9s in perfect world scenarios, which is really impressive for stock engine, stock gear set. And those are the things, like, you know, there's so many people in this market, and I'll tell you this: anybody can build a turbo kit. Anybody could throw in this clutch. These aren't my clutches. You could throw in a Billy Cage from Dobson. You could throw in a Motec off-the-shelf M142 package that you could buy from any Motec distributor, and you can make horsepower. Here's the thing. How I've been able to do a breakthrough on these cars is it's been TCM development. The transmission is a dual clutch. The ECU controls everything. The torque tables, line pressure, line pain, everything. And when you're out there shopping for a stage 2 package or a stock engine car, just remember, look past the smoke. Oh, I rolled prettier. I used to work at Sheepey. Oh, that's a phenomenal sentence. And let's talk about that one. I mean, in last year I didn't talk about it, but you know, a lot of you guys used to know, there's a group of people that used to work here. Oh, we used to work at Sheepey. We could build you the same thing. I want you to show me one fast car.
Nope.
From people that I used to work at Sheepey.
Nope.
I'll wait.
Nope.
Should I just wait as long as you want me to wait?
Nope.
I'll wait. Just keep waiting. Keep waiting. So anyways, you can build nice shit, but it takes a lot of development to make them go fast. Now granted, I'm not the only one. Underground Racing, AMS is building fast shit, right? They're out there. But just always look into past the smoke. The smoke is just gonna leave you in the dark. Whoa. So every day, roughly 1:30, 2 o'clock, we take a drive. Let's go. You guys wanna go? Let's go. All right, so back to my personal development. One thing that I'll be honest, I've dropped the ball on the past couple years is really investing more time with my kids. I'm not saying I'm not a good dad. I know I'm a great dad. Probably better than most deadbeats, but I'll do all the big tasks, and then clearly I still continue to work throughout my day, but I go and get Big Head, which is my son, from daycare, about a little bit after a half day, and then he'll hang out at the shop. He loves coming to the shop. He loves cars, and I really want to grow him up you know, part of it. So, you know, my other two are a little bit older. They're not really about it. You know, they're older now. They're kind of into their own thing. So I'm trying to mold this one where he wants to come hang out at the shop, you know. So he loves coming, loves sitting in cars, playing with steering wheels. So we're gonna go grab him really quick from daycare, bring him back. We're gonna continue working and show you guys what my normal afternoon looks like with my son on my lap. So say hi. He's woke up from a nap. So let's go ahead and get this dude strapped in. Yeah, bud. Let's go to the shop. Let's go to work, bud. We got a lot of cars to tune. Got some stuff to figure out. Hi, my love. How's your day, bud? Did you have a good day at daycare? It's getting cold. We're in a nice weather. This is Brian.
I got here, it was 85 degrees. Now
the man
it's a little
right here,
chilly,
Detroit.
But yeah.
Brian flew in to drive a Stage 2 Plus, which then is now somehow worked up into many stages. As you guys know, we're always product developing, so as we develop something new, Brian's like, add it to my car. So the car hasn't left, but it's gonna go home now. Do a V2 manifold. Over the weekend, past week, we've been really focused on developing our Mac Daddy package, so well, yeah, what the hell, let's make this Mac Daddy so you can go home and go mid-8s back home.
The problem is you gotta stop coming up with new stuff every week.
And you're not gonna like what I released today.
Usually every 6 months you come up with upgrades, but here at Sheepey, we're every 2 weeks. We're faster and faster. I can't go home.
Today's also product release day on something we've been working on for months now. I mean months. But it's not something as quick as scan it and then cut it. You know, with these kind of vehicles, you want to make sure you have the correct team of designing and engineering things. We probably have, I think, over 150 hours in designing this billet block. We'll drop it here. It's being cut right now. We will have 2 cars at Texas 2K rocking them. Jeremy Friedman, good customer, actually a friend of mine, also one hell of a investor. He started with Stage 2 Plus, and then like everybody else gets the bug. One thing led to another. He says, Alex, I'll wait around and throw one of those billet blocks in my car. So he's gonna have one of these engines along with my personal car and one other individual with the billet block. I think we're gonna cut one for Dylan. Of course, Dylan always wants the latest and greatest. But Jeremy's gonna get the billet block. We're gonna put a set of 82s on it and see what she does. So check out the rendering of it and then all the information we post on Instagram. But it should be a cool day. The team's quickly gonna slap a Stage 1 turbo kit on our next giveaway car. By the way, everyone, thank you that participated in that giveaway. It was our first run, so there was a lot of learning, a lot of little errors, like with anything though, right? I mean, if it was easy, everybody would do it. But where we will become better and better, and to kind of make up for the little bumps, we're gonna give away an R8 next. So stay tuned, we're gonna throw a turbo kit on it today. And yeah, so today should be a fun day. Follow along and we'll get it going.
What are you guys doing? Got the new SR2 giveaway right here. Right behind me, we're gonna take it apart, put the Stage 1 package in for you. You never know, you can possibly win. Stay tuned, coming your way.
We're out here building the SR number 2 giveaway car. Just a little R8 V10 Plus with a Stage 1 Sheepey Twin Turbo kit on it. We're going to be pushing a nice and reliable and safe 800 horsepower to the wheels. So it's pretty fun and very exciting car. Who knows? Somebody could literally win this by buying a sticker, a pin, a jacket, sweater, however you want to call it, you know?
Alright, so as you guys know, in dyno cars, I leave them all apart. But just kind of going over everything. She's ready to go on the dyno. So we're gonna fire her up, put her on the dyno, strap her down, let's make some power. First, you're gonna put some turbo blankets on it. So the reason why I like doing the turbo blankets, so it's a fiber, so you want to put heat through them because they're gonna smoke a little bit. So what's better off than do it on the dyno. Yo, what's up? Alright, so here we're in Whistlin's car, and we're about to put some heat through it. So as you guys know, you guys can follow him here. He can hit a fox, and he f***ed up the whole front end of this car. So we're not a body shop, but I told him we would take it on to fix all that, and he'll show you right now. Walk through the front of the car, and damage to the radiators, the AC system. So I'm gonna have to drive it on the dyno, heat cycle it, you know, get all the air pockets out, make sure it's good before we start hitting it on the dyno. So yeah, we'll go from there and see what's up. We'll make sure everything is on point before we start hitting some jam, and we'll go from there. Turning the fuel pressure up, base pressure for the secondary injectors. Turning it up before we get the show on the road. I like to button everything up, make sure everything's good. I like to see about 43 to 45 pounds of base pressure. About 43, 44. You're good there. Lock it there. So the cars have, as you guys know, DI system and port injectors. We completely isolate the port injectors from the DI system for horsepower. So now that that's good, I'm gonna start driving a heat cycling while Mikey puts up the dyno. Mikey, don't you gotta do your little chingaderas? Mikey will jump in. Don't you gotta do the sit in the dyno for me? I don't do it. Hold on, he's still back there. So this car also had air suspension before, and we put a coilover system on it, different shock to get air bags out. I know we normally build performance, but you know, if you're in a position where you want cosmetic stuff or even repairs, like check this shit out, we can handle it for you too. So the headlight's still off. Put that on once you put it on the lift to assemble the front bumper. So we had to replace all that. We're gonna drop a picture of what it looked like here. So this guy's wild, but you know what? He enjoys his cars. The guy, and it's all that matters. You know, he works hard and enjoys his car. We have a big storm coming in, so that's why it's super windy here. But you're good, Mikey. So, got the coolant all good. This thing's good now. No more wild coolant things, but we're always looking to ways to improve our program. You know, people have different ways to skin the cow with the boost controller. Tony has found that the boost controller is really sensitive the way it was set up, so we did some wiring changes and redoing the entire way we skin the cow with boost control. So that's what we're doing right now, getting that dialed in, the closed loop system, and now we're gonna make another hit, see what it does. But I mean, 874 at 7 pounds of boost, it's not bad. Controller is fine-tuned. We're gonna crank it out. It made a 980 at 10 pounds of boost. That's a lot. Alright. We continuously always change our packages. As much as everybody says the other guys are the same. It's not the same, bro. It's not the same. I'm gonna start preaching more and more about this. I'm not jabbing, I'm not scared. Just really do your research before you go spending your money. Free's not always better, discount's not always better. Pop's over here doing a quick little install on the giveaway car. Look at this. Go from Evos to giveaway R8s. God damn, one of your people at SHEEPEYRACE. You think the other guys do it?
No.
So as you guys know, we stay building V10s, and sometimes our customers want to start with the new build. And I have this guy, 458 Destroyer. He got some big car collection. He actually bought Damon's cars. Has a Calvo 2,500 horsepower car, and he was like, "I need you to build me a Mac Daddy package." So that's the trip. So we came in buying a red R8 from this guy.
This might be a theory or a story, but it's said that Alex sells more cars at West Coast Exotic Cars than anybody else besides me.
Sure.
It's actually 100% true.
I should start my own dealership. Later, buddy. I'll be by for the car tomorrow. So yeah, a lot of things that we do, as you guys know, is let's go this way. We will we get multiple calls a week about people on the market for a certain car. They'll ask us our opinion, and after we give them our opinion, or we try to fill them out of what kind of build they want, we get them in a car. We have a great relationship with West Coast, where they're able to just give us a phenomenal deal, best prices on some of the baddest exotics in the country, and then the customer wins. You're not gonna go to some exotic dealership, get your leg pulled. You get a car from them. You don't have to do no hard work. I do all your dirty work. bring the car over, build it. So we're gonna be building a Mac Daddy package for 458 Destroyer that will be at Texas 2K. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna try to stay on top of it. Our staff is growing. As you guys know, Jason Whitfield and his son are joining my team. Whitfield's actually the GM of my company. I got so much going on where I get pulled in every form of direction, and I'll spend 3-4 hours a day. I call it pulling out fires when I should be investing my time in development and, you know, dealing with customers. So everybody that's welcome Jason to the team. He's new boss. Probably talk to him most of the time, not me. And yeah, we're gonna start dropping these vlogs a lot more. Whistlin Diesels car is done. He's gonna fly in and we're gonna do some vlogging with him. And that's a wrap.